Hello ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, first of all, thank you so much for completing such a long journey and coming for Invertis for a mental health workshop. And ma'am, I would like to ask that how was your experience at Invertis?
It was amazing. All the students are wonderful, faculty are wonderful. The students are so engaging, so interactive, ask so many questions, and great experience, very gratifying, very contentful.
Okay. Ma'am, I thank you on behalf of the university and of course the psychology department. Last question, how do you like the infrastructure of Invertis and how do you feel at Invertis?
Invertis is great. I did as I told to the Vice Chancellor, the buildings are really good. It's a great infrastructure, and I think I dined at the student dining hall cafeteria. Yeah, it was good too. So it's landscaping is the best thing. The landscaping here is wonderful. So it's all good. It's very vibrant community, as I said.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I wish that we can again meet you and have a good and enjoying session.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
All the best to all of you.